This video is all about making shrimp cake with beurre blanc sauce. Let's start by peeling the shell of the shrimp and deveining it to remove the digestive tract lines on both sides. Rinse the shrimp once again and check before cutting it in half. Then let's go ahead and put them in the food processor. Let's put the lid on and pulse until the shrimp are ground but somewhat chunky. Let's not over pulse to prevent the texture from getting smooth. Pause, then remove the lid once again. Finely chop the onion and add them to the mixture. Then let's add the minced garlic. Finely grate some baby carrots and add them to the food processor. Finely chop some cilantros and add them to the mixture too. Then let's also add some raw honey. And last but not least, crack a couple of eggs. Now let's put the lid back on and lightly pulse until the ingredients are all well incorporated. You may stop at any time to push the ingredients to the bottom, just like so. Continue to pulse as needed, then put the mixture on the counter. Then let's go ahead and start molding our shrimp cake patty. I use a pasta sauce lid as a mold. Put a saran wrap on top, then put a couple of scoops of the shrimp mixture. Let's flatten the mixture to form a patty and roll it into the panko until both sides are well coated. Let's put them on a parchment paper-lined baking sheet. Then repeat the process until the shrimp mixture is consumed. Refrigerate them for 15 to 20 minutes or until ready to use. In the meantime, let's cut the unsalted butter into cubes for our beurre blanc sauce and refrigerate them until ready to use. In a medium-sized saucepan, combine white wine vinegar or rice vinegar, the Paws or passion orange guava juice, and some finely chopped shallots. Let's bring them to a boil over medium-high heat. When the liquid starts boiling, turn the heat to medium-low until liquid has reduced to a tablespoon. Then transfer the saucepan on a cold burner. Turn the heat to the lowest settings. Whisk in 3 to 4 cubes of the unsalted butter at a time until melted. Continue to whisk down to the last 4 cubes of butter. Make sure to turn the heat off and whisk in the remaining butter until the texture of the sauce becomes smooth. Let's go ahead and sift and discard the onion. Then pour the sauce back into the saucepan. Season it with kosher salt and pepper and mix well. Place the saucepan back into the heated burner, but make sure the burner is off. Time to cook our shrimp cake patty. In a heated frying pan, heat some olive or canola oil over medium heat. Place the patty and cook them for 2 to 4 minutes or until both sides are golden brown. Flip them over and cook the other side for an equal time. Press them to cook evenly. Then place the cooked patties on a paper towel lined plate. Time to put together our appetizer plate. Let's put a handful of arugula greens on a plate. Let's place the shrimp cakes on top and pour over the Paws or passion orange guava beurre blanc sauce. Let's garnish with the finely chopped cilantro. And there you have it, my shrimp cake with beurre blanc sauce. Serve warm and enjoy!